Those faint lines around your eyes and mouth, the ones you swore weren't there last year, seem to be whispering the truth about time. But here's the part that most people never realize. Your skin isn't aging because you're getting older. It's aging because your collagen factory has slowed down. Collagen is what gives your skin that smooth, elastic, youthful look. It's the invisible scaffolding that keeps everything lifted and tight. But once you hit your late 20s, your body produces less of it every single year. And by your 40s, your collagen levels can drop by almost 25% or more. Here's the good news. You can rebuild collagen naturally. And no, it doesn't start with expensive creams or injections. It starts with food. Specifically, seeds. Tiny, humble, powerful seeds backed by science to help your body regenerate collagen, fight wrinkles, and keep your skin firm, plump, and radiant. Let's break down the best anti-aging seeds that can rebuild collagen from within, naturally and effectively. 1. Flax seeds, the omega-3 powerhouse. Flax seeds are small, shiny, and loaded with nutrients that your skin absolutely loves. They are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Why does this matter? Because omega-3s are like moisture-locking agents for your skin. They strengthen the lipid barrier that holds in hydration and prevents dryness, one of the biggest triggers for wrinkles and dullness. Flax seeds also contain lignans, powerful antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, the same stress that breaks down collagen and causes sagging. A 2019 study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that women who consumed flaxseed oil daily for 12 weeks experienced visibly smoother, more hydrated skin and reduced sensitivity. How to use it? Add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed to your morning smoothie or oatmeal. Mix it into yogurt or sprinkle on salads. Always use ground flax seeds. The whole seeds pass through your system undigested. 2. Chia seeds, the tiny collagen boosters. These little black and white seeds are one of the easiest ways to support your skin's natural repair system. Chia seeds are rich in zinc, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, a perfect trio for collagen production. Zinc helps activate the enzymes responsible for collagen synthesis, while protein provides the amino acids your body needs to build that collagen structure. They are also hydrophilic, meaning they can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, which keeps your skin cells hydrated and supple. When you eat chia seeds regularly, you're basically giving your skin a long-lasting drink from the inside. How to use it? Soak 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in water or almond milk overnight. Add some lemon juice and honey in the morning for an antioxidant-rich collagen water. You can also sprinkle chia seeds on top of smoothie bowls or fruit salads. 3. Pumpkin seeds, the collagen repair minerals. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are tiny but mighty. They contain zinc, magnesium, and vitamin E, 3 essential nutrients for skin regeneration and collagen repair. Zinc supports tissue growth and helps rebuild damaged collagen fibers. Magnesium keeps your DNA and cellular functions healthy, ensuring your skin regenerates properly. Vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant that shields your skin from UV damage, one of the top causes of premature wrinkles. A study in dermatoendocrinology showed that higher zinc intake improves skin structure, elasticity, and even wound healing. How to use it? Snack on a handful of roasted pumpkin seeds daily. Add them to your smoothie or grind them into a paste to mix with yogurt for a skin-nourishing snack. 4. Sunflower seeds, nature's vitamin E shield. If there's one seed that acts like a natural sunscreen from within, it's sunflower seeds. They are loaded with vitamin E, selenium, and healthy fats, all of which protect your skin from oxidative stress, the invisible enemy that destroys collagen over time. Vitamin E helps stabilize cell membranes and encourages new cell growth. Selenium works alongside vitamin E to prevent wrinkles and maintain elasticity. A clinical trial published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that people who consumed higher levels of vitamin E and selenium had smoother, less wrinkled skin. How to use it? Add 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds to your breakfast bowl or salad. Blend them into a smoothie for a creamy, nutty flavor. 5. Sesame seeds, the ancient collagen secret. Sesame seeds are more than just a garnish, they are a centuries-old beauty remedy. They are rich in copper, a trace mineral essential for collagen and elastin production. Copper activates the enzyme lysyl oxidase, which cross-links collagen and elastin fibers, making skin firmer and more elastic. Sesame seeds also contain natural antioxidants that help fade dark spots, brighten skin tone, and promote smoother texture. How to use it? Toast sesame seeds lightly and sprinkle them over rice, soups, or vegetable dishes. You can also mix sesame paste, tahini, with honey and lemon as a natural skin-boosting spread. 6. Hemp seeds, the complete collagen builder. Hemp seeds are one of the few plant-based sources of complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids. Collagen itself is made from amino acids, particularly glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. By eating hemp seeds, you're supplying your body with the exact materials it needs to rebuild that collagen network. They also contain gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, a type of omega-6 fatty acid that supports skin elasticity and moisture. According to research published in Lipids in Health and Disease, regular consumption of hemp seed oil improves skin hydration and reduces itchiness and roughness. How to use it? Add hemp seeds to your smoothies, salads, or sprinkle on avocado toast. Mix them into energy bars or protein balls for a collagen-supporting snack. 7. Black sesame seeds, the age-defying beauty food. These seeds are a staple in Asian anti-aging diets, and for good reason. Black sesame seeds are loaded with iron, calcium, vitamin B, and antioxidants that improve blood flow and nourish skin cells. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your skin, which translates into a healthier, brighter complexion. They are also known to support melanin production, helping to prevent premature graying and maintain youthful hair color. How to use it? Blend black sesame seeds into a smoothie or a paste with honey. You can also make black sesame milk by soaking and blending them with water and a dash of vanilla. How seeds support collagen? Let's recap how these seeds actually work. Omega-3 fats, flax, chia, hemp, reduce inflammation and preserve collagen. Zinc and copper, pumpkin, sesame, chia, activate enzymes that produce new collagen. Vitamin E, sunflower, pumpkin, protect existing collagen from oxidative stress. Protein and amino acids, hemp, chia, provide the raw material to rebuild skin structure. Antioxidants, black sesame, flax, prevent collagen breakdown caused by free radicals. By combining just a few of these daily, you create the perfect internal skincare routine. Feed your skin, rebuild your glow. Aging is natural, but premature aging is not. Your skin doesn't just need creams, it needs nutrition that rebuilds it from within. Every time you add these seeds to your diet, you're feeding your skin with the exact nutrients it craves: collagen-building amino acids, protective antioxidants, and essential minerals. You'll begin to notice the difference: firmer skin, smoother texture, and a healthy, natural glow that no makeup can replicate. And the best part? These are affordable, accessible, and completely natural. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more natural, science-backed beauty and wellness tips. And remember, beauty isn't built overnight, it's built daily. Start today, one seed at a time.